What is the real reason price stops at a certain level? This is something traders are always trying to figure out. Sometimes we can identify the reason, and sometimes we can't. But when you truly find the reason, you'll know it with confidence. Today, I'll show you an example from last week on Australian dollar to US dollar. This is the weekly time frame. Take a look at last week's candle low. Why did price reverse from that level? You probably noticed right away that there are two fair value gaps to the left. Those are the closest clues we can identify. We have two fair value gaps, but why did price respect the second one, marked in blue, instead of the first one, marked in green? You might also ask why price respected the upper boundary of the fair value gap rather than the lower boundary, marked in yellow. That's a great question. Let me show you the real reason why price stopped at that exact level. Take a moment to look at this chart. The blue line is actually the opening price of a bearish 2-week candle. On this time frame, the reason becomes obvious. Almost anyone could spot it immediately. Now let's revisit our previous conclusion. We initially thought price respected the fair value gap from the weekly time frame. Do you still think that's the case? Has your perspective changed? So why is this important? Here's the key takeaway. When price approaches an area that contains multiple candles, it doesn't matter whether those candles are bullish or bearish. We need to pay attention to all of their opening prices. An opening price that appears insignificant on one time frame may become highly important on another time frame. This is something I want you to remember. I hope you found this insight valuable.